Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update location permission prompts for iOS and Android. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your project in the development environment of your choice. For iOS, navigate to the info.plist file within your project. Locate the privacy settings section. Add or update the keys for location permissions. You will need to include NSLocation when in use usage description and NSLocation always usage description. Provide a clear and concise description for each key. This text will be displayed in the permission prompt to users. For Android, open the Android manifest.xml file. Locate the permissions section. Add the necessary permissions for location access. Typically, you will include access_find_location and access_course_location. Ensure these permissions are properly declared within the manifest file. Next, implement the permission request in your code. For iOS, use the CL Location Manager class to handle location requests. Check the current authorization status using CL Location Manager.authorization status. If authorization is not determined, request permission using request when in use authorization or request always authorization. For Android, use the ActivityCompat.requestPermissions method. Check the current permission status with contextCompat.checkSelfPermission. If permission is not granted, request permissions using ActivityCompat.requestPermissions. Make sure to handle the user's response in the onRequestPermissions result callback. Offer a rationale if the user has previously denied the request. This will help them understand why location access is necessary. Test your app thoroughly to ensure prompts display correctly on both platforms. Consider user experience by providing context for location access in your app's user interface. By following these steps, you can successfully update location permission prompts for both iOS and Android. This will enhance user trust and improve the overall functionality of your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.